Girl taken.
Taken.
Pero napapag-usapan ng kasal.
Opo.
Solo era kung tawagin ng Kapuso Drama Princess ang face ng kanyang buhay ngayon.
Technically, yung solo era, it applies more on my personal life.
Sunod-sunod ang projects ni Barbie, tulad na lang ng Kapuso film thriller. Ilang kaya magbabalik ang tambalan nila ni David Icauco?
Very soon, actually. I can't wait. Magbabalik. Siyempre, may Barda pa rin this 2025. Hindi pwedeng hindi.
Siyempre, naging single ako since September, so I've been really working on myself. All for self-improvement. Every day, I try my best. So generally, happy and mas nakita ko yung mga, mas appreciate ko lahat ng bagay.
Tinanong kita tungkol sa the possibility, oo, hindi, depende, kung magiging girlfriend mo si Barbie. Why did you say depende?
I mean, who knows, di ba? Whatever happens, happens. If it happens, it happens. Di ba? But at this point, like, yes, it's a bit pressuring, pero di ko naman siya iniisip as negative. Siguro for me, if it happens, it happens. I'm just going with the flow. Yeah.
Gaano kayo ka-close, Dave?
Really close. Minsan, magkakamustahan kami via text, ganyan. Kamusta lang, ganun. Parang, what's happening na? Kamusta siya? Kamusta yung movie na ginagawa niya? Yun na naman, it's more of that, like, good luck. Talk about everything.
And nothing.
Yeah, and nothing. Just,
Can you tell Barbie anything?
medyo, pero hindi naman lahat. Tito
naman,
Boy.
oo.
Of course, may limitations.
When do you see yourself settling down?
As soon as I find the right one, and kapag okay na ako sa career ko, kapag nasabi ko sa sarili ko na, okay na ako.
So gusto mo munang ma-maximize?
Maximize everything I can get from showbiz.
Feeling ko, when it comes to being financially stable, parang nandun ka na. Kasi sa mga trait ng mga Filipino-Chinese is masinop sa pera.
Yeah.
And business-minded. Doon lumabas yung pagka-Chinese mo.
Yeah.
Kasi ang dami mong business.
Sakto lang.
Do you have that thing that by this age, I should get married?
I used to have that. I think now it's more of like, go with the flow na lang talaga. But then, of course,
It can happen earlier.
yeah, I mean, whatever happens, happens. But then, what can I do? Diba? If wala, wala. If meron, meron. Diba? So,
But if you have your way, sabi mo nga, ride the tide.
yeah,
If it's
definitely.
this year, next year, you're ready to get married.
Emotionally, I think I'm ready. Financially, I think I'm ready. Physically, I think I'm ready. Career-wise, I'm not ready.
But that's 3-1.
Yeah. Yeah, but I mean, one thing is to be ready and one thing is to be really committed to actually doing it.
Ideal age to get married.
28.
Ideal age to get married.
35, 36?
Ideal.
Hinahanap ko, malaki na. Ay, ang laki na. Laki na lang. Laki na lang. Laki na. Gusto ko ka ng baby eh. Ready ka na ba? Ready na. Asa ka na?
May isip mo rin na, gusto mo rin na, kunwari yung mga anak mo, teenager na, gusto mong makapag-basketball pa with them, o kung ano mo yung sports nila, di ba?
Saan ang dream wedding destination kaya ni David? Feeling ko ano siya fancy wedding pero intimate. So hindi siya big wedding, pero siguro somewhere, basta hindi dito sa Pilipinas. Knowing him yun. Feeling ko somewhere out of the country, pero intimate like family and friends lang. Tama ba?
Tama ka naman dun sa intimate and family and friends. Yeah. Pero I would love a beach wedding. Pwede rin sa ibang bansa. Tama ka naman.
Okay. Ikaw, ano pa bang dream role mo? Gusto mo bang ako pa rin ang kalamti mo?
Dream role ko matuloy yung continuation ng Maria Clara, di ba?
So, dream role mo, yung nagawa mo ng role.
Oo.
Yan. So, nasagot na rin kung ako pa rin yun.
Siyempre, ikaw naman talaga yung gusto ko. Ilang beses ko na yun sinagot sa mga interview.
Oh, sorry.
Ako Maria Clara and Ibarra.
Yung Fidel
Continuation.
Continuation.
Yeah, I think gusto kong gawin yun. For the fans na rin and also for me personally. Gusto ko yun kasi yun yung pinaka na-enjoy kong gawin. Na-enjoy ko naman lahat pero yung pinaka. Or if given the chance, Maria Clara 2.0. Kami yung last na parang pwede pa siyang mag-transpose into something, into another world, diba? So hopefully, magawa namin yun. It's really a big dream of mine.
Hopefully, magkaroon ba tayo ng maraming trabaho together?
Hopefully, we get the movie and the teleserye this year. I'm hoping. Fingers crossed. Nothing is set in stone, but we are both hopeful that we get to work together again. I want a movie na iyakan, drama, ganun, like something na may hugot, diba? A teleserye also, na rom-com naman sana. Mag-guest ako yata sa iyong teleserye,
Gusto mo ba?
di ba? Pwede naman. Depende sa'yo.
Ayan, basta marami po kayo
Marami pong
maabangan.
abangan.
Hopefully, a movie this
Yeah.
year, yeah.
First na hindi nag-workout at all to 16 kilometers. And ang sabi niya sa akin kanina, hindi daw siya nahirapan. Diba? So, she has been really working hard. She's very athletic now and I'm really proud of you.
Thank you.
Keep it up.
Invite ko siya mag-run. Nahihiya ako kasi nga lagi siyang busy. Nakikita ko na lang siya sa social
Hindi mo kasi ako
media.
in-invite.
Yung totoo? Yung
Kailan
totoo?
ba ako?
Oh!
Hindi mo ako in-invite.
Hindi. Ini-invite kita.
Barbie, nakapag-run na kayo ni David.
Hindi pa.
Di ba?
Hindi pa, actually.
Paglabas, takbo tayo.
Oh, tara. Busy yung friend mo eh.
Ikaw
Bye,
din daw eh.
Grab. Ha?
Ikaw din daw eh.
Okay.
Konti lang.
So, medyo hindi kahit jogging-jogging yung iba. Okay. Fun.
Pero may time.
run.
May time na
Na
nag-workout kami nung nandito si David nga.
Kayong lahat.
Lahat kami. As in,
Okay.
yun
Alam niyo yun? Sinayaw namin dito. Sinayaw?
Nag-choreo kami dito.
Diba? Siya din, sumayaw din siya.
Unfortunately,
Of course not.
napilitan.
Of course not.
Yun yung naging alarm namin, kanta niya. Kasi namin alam na
Kaya bangon kayo agad talaga, no?
hindi namin alam.
Tapos andito na siya nun. Ganun.
Wala pa hapon kami dumating.
Oh! Ay, oh! Sorry naman dyan.
Tower call!
Barbie.
Hindi hahanda. Oh, sweet mo naman, kuya. Single ka ba? Charot. Ay, sorry. Sorry.
First time, yeah. Pero I think nakita na kita before sa GMA Ball.
Oo. Kaputi ba ako?
2 years ago. I'm sure hindi mo ako naalala, pero nakita na.
Girl, marami akong hindi naalala ng gabi.
I choose not to.
I choose not to. Di naman.
You play tennis also?
I try.
Oh my God, tennis tayo paglabas.
Sige!
Tara.
Go na yan. Run and then tennis.
Yeah, sige, game.
I do Pilates also.
Ah, talaga? Perfect.
Kasama full
Ayun,
day.
tara, promise. Lahat tatlo gawin.
Oo!
Ay, ka babalik!
Sorry. Hindi pala ako babalik. Hindi pala babalik sa ex.
Hindi!
Okay.
Hindi!
Say BBB! BBB! Say Barbie! Barbie! We love you, Barbie!
Last one! Last one!
Oras na para magpaalam sa inyong bisita.
Hala! Madam yung ice cream ko! Hindi mo ba titikman?
Ba yan, di ba? Sabi! Bakit ba parang kasalanan ka?
Thank you. Oo. Thank you.